Hello, it's Snoopy. In the last video, I walked from Omotesando to Yoyogi. I'm going to walk from here to Kabukicho Shinjuku. Let's get started. Many high school students are walking down the street at this time. This is because many cram schools for university entrance exams are located nearby, and they go there after regular school. I used to go to the cram school as a high school girl too. Yoyogi Station is next to Shinjuku Station. I recommend tourists to use Yoyogi Station more often for some reasons. Changing trains at Yoyogi Station on the Yamanate line to Chuo lines is easier than at Shinjuku Station, as Yoyogi Station is less crowded, and you never get lost at the station. Yoyogi Station is within walking distance of a Meiji Shrine. It would be a pleasant walking course for tourists. This is Shinjuku Southern Terrace, 350-meter-long promenade. This promenade is decorated by around 170,000 LED bulbs, as well as Christmas trees from November to February each year. Wow, this is breathtaking! Shinjuku Southern Terrace was opened in 1998. The south exit area was a classification yard owned by the former Japanese National Railways, now JR East. Following the privatization of Japan Railways, the Takashimaya department store opened in 1996 to the south of Shinjuku Station. This illumination will last until 14th February. I wonder if this song will be replaced by another after Christmas. That says Shinjuku, but this is in Shibuya Ward. This year's winter in Tokyo is not so cold. Many people are resting on benches. It takes roughly 8 minutes to walk from Yoyogi Station to here. It's not an impossible distance to walk. Shinjuku Station is the busiest station in the world today. If someone from the past saw here, I'm pretty sure that they'd be surprised. People call this penguin Suica Penguin. He is the mascot character for Suica JR East prepaid card. On the right-hand side of the screen is a building that looks like the Empire State Building in New York City. That is the NTT Docomo building, commonly known as the Docomo Tower. There are many stations in the Shinjuku area. I'm going to save Shinjuku Station near Kabukicho. Now let's walk. This is the Shinjuku West exit area. While the east exit area on the other side is well known for its shopping district, this is well known for its skyscrapers. There are huge water purification plants here. This area is also undergoing redevelopment. There used to be an Odakyu department store there until recently. I visited there with my late mom almost every weekend. This is Omoide Yokocho, which literally means memory alley in Japanese. This alley was a black market after World War II. It brings back the post-war period with the nostalgia of the Showa period. By the way, I want to overtake this lady ahead. Okay, I've made it. There was a big fire here in 1999. 1/3 of its alley was burned down at the time. Now I'm going to Kabukicho, the east exit area of Shinjuku Station. I'm approaching to Kabukicho. Kabukicho is not very safe. It seems particularly dangerous at night, so I will only take videos from the entrance up there. The name of this town is Kabukicho, but there are no kabuki theaters. After the war, a kabuki theater was to be built here. However, the plan was abandoned and only the name Kabukicho remained. We saw breathtaking illumination in the south exit area, skyscrapers in the west exit area, and this busy street in the east exit area. Shinjuku is such a colorful city. Thanks for watching the video. Give me likes and subscribe to my channel. I'm taking requests. Leave your comment. See you in the next video. Bye bye. またね